Here's how to open a TikTok shop. First, remember that to open a shop, you must be 18 years or older and live in an eligible country like US or UK. Now, open up any web browser and go to seller.tiktok.com. Here, you need to sign up using your email, phone number, or by linking your existing personal TikTok account. Now here you need to select your business type, select individual if you're operating under your own name. Next, you need to upload verification documents. Here you need to upload a clear photo of your US driver license or passport. Then fill up all these details over here. Also make sure to enter the last 4 digits of your SSN or ITIN. Once you have entered all of these details, on the next step you will have to enter details about your shop. Once you have entered the shop information, head to the next step. On this page, your application will be reviewed. Now you want to wait for TikTok to approve your shop application. Once your shop application has been approved, your shop will be activated. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.